Many of your engine's critical components are driven by belts like these. Belts operate in tough conditions, such as high heat, high speed, and are under considerable tension. Since rubber is an unpredictable material, belt failure is one of the most common causes of breakdown on the road. Belts are easy to check, and to replace them at home is relatively easy and inexpensive. Most modern vehicles use one or two V-rib drive belts that drive the water pump, power steering pump, alternator, and other components. While these belts are very reliable, failure usually makes the vehicle undrivable. So it's important to make sure your belts are in good shape and tensioned properly. Belts should be flexible and not significantly cracked or shiny, which indicates slippage. Also check that there are no leaks that could allow oil or coolant to get on the belt. If you hear a squealing noise like this, you've got a slipping belt. This can be caused by the belt being too loose or just so old, hardened, or contaminated that it won't grip right. Most vehicles use a spring-loaded tensioner to maintain the correct belt tension. On some other vehicles, the tension may be set by an adjustment. To replace a belt, all you usually need to do is pry the spring-loaded tensioner away from the belt and pull the belt out from among the pulleys. Since the routing of the drive belt is critical, be sure you have a diagram handy to route the new belt. A diagram is usually on a sticker in the engine compartment. If your vehicle does not have a sticker, make a diagram before taking the old belt off. With the new belt properly routed, pry the tensioner again and set the belt into place. Be sure the belt is riding in the center of all the pulleys and not off to one side. Some vehicles have belts that require you to loosen a component to release the tension on the belt. On this type of belt, you need to pry the component away from the engine to get the proper tension.